Hi guys, so today I'm going to be cutting open my old lobby. Okay, so I'm in my bathroom now. Sorry, it's really cold. Oh my god. Wait, where did that come from? It literally just popped. Oh my goodness. Where did that come from? Oh my gosh. So yeah, that's a sign that we have to cut this thing open. It is like so old. I'm surprised it's lasted this long. Like I haven't seen a globby in worse condition. So yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut the top a little bit. It's like already coming out. Okay. It looks so weird without everything in it. Oh my gosh. Like, so I haven't touched the Orbeez yet, but this is how crushed up they were from just playing with it for a while. Like, there's like nothing left. Most of them are mushed up. There's a few here and there, but like it is so mushed up and so gross. Ew. Ew, ew, ew. Look at that. I just turned it inside out. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.